lav, pup, sor, vog, was, sis, san, ap, vlir, sang, s, u, vom, ap, yam, ak, vlim, ga, k, dan, sa, vlir, sang, s, u, vom, yang, vlim, k, sna, k, ga, bop, veg, daf, shof, kom, vlim, ga, jna, tui, glow, yai, bai, san, ap, vlir, sang, s, u, vom, da, vlim, k, sna, ga. Which is to say, K, Bop for Travelers, Lesson 6. In this current series of lessons, we are dealing with the endings on nouns, which are these. We now come to the second ending, which is number. Unlike many languages, which mark their nouns for whether there is one thing or more than one thing, K-bop makes the far more useful distinction of a finite number of things versus an infinite number of things. So, since we have been conjugating the word for taco in these lessons, we begin with the root for taco in the nominative case, which is mef, kib, saj, jin, fug, bath, san, ap. And if we are dealing with a finite number of tacos, which is a relatively common occurrence, we would add the suffix vlir, and then the other 7 suffixes that we will get to later, so vom, which, as you may recall, is see the appendix for the remaining suffixes. Now, if you're dealing with an infinite number of tacos, in which case, I guess you've solved world hunger or something? Or good luck eating them. Then you would use the suffix vig. We now come to the third ending. This third ending indicates how well the object you are discussing matches your expectations of that object. So, and there are 3 options for it. It can be as you expected, not as you expected, or as you expected but significantly more than you expected. A taco, in the finite number of the nominative case, being that is what you expected, you would use sang. So, mef, kib, saj, jin, fug, bath, san, ap, vlir, sang. On the other hand, if it is definitely not what you expected, you would use the suffix sung. That is, mef, kib, saj, jin, fug, bath, san, ap, vlir, sung. Vom. And finally, if you expected the taco to be good, and it is in fact amazing, then this might be a case for using the third ending, which is sing. Or if you expected it to be not that great, and it was in fact the most horrible thing you've ever eaten. That could also be sing. And we have in full meth, kib, sage, gin, fug, bath, san, ap, fleer, sing. And zum, because there's 6 more endings that I haven't told you about yet. This has been K-Bop for Travelers, Lesson 6. In the next lesson, we will cover the further endings, beginning with whether or not it is food. Bye.